Hello everyone, myself Parv, and today in this video we will discuss about some basic concept of chemistry. We start this video from the first topic of this chapter, matter. Anything which have mass and occupies space, it may be small or may be huge. Also it can be felt by our five senses, is called matter. Steam, ice, oxygen and water are an example of matter because it has definite mass. But the light from a torch and a heat from a fire are not a matter because these cannot be tasted, hold or smell by our body. These are kind of non-matters. Matter are further classified into two categories, physical and chemical. Let's start with the physical category of the matters. Physical matter is a substance which do not produce a new substance. It is based on the state of substance with respect to temperature, pressure and its ordinary condition. Physical matter is of three types: solid, liquid and gas. Solid, a substance is said to be solid if it has a definite volume and have a definite shape. For example, iron and wood. In solid, the force of attraction between the molecules of substance is high and molecules do not move from its place. A substance is said to be liquid if it has definite volume and do not have any definite shape. It takes the shape of container like water in bottle. For example, oil, water, milk and alcohol are example of liquids. In liquid, the force of attraction between the molecule of substance is less than solid and the molecules will acquire the shape of container. A substance is said to be a gas. It do not have definite volume and definite shape. It moves freely in the container in which they kept, and the force of attraction between the molecule of the gas is very low as compared to solid and liquid. Next we will discuss about chemical matter. It is based on the composition of the substance. It is of two types: pure substance and mixture. Pure substance is a type of material containing only one type of substance, is pure substance. It cannot be separated into simple substance by physical method. It is further classified into two types. Pure substance is of two types, element and compound. Element, a pure substance containing only one kind of atom. It is of three types depending upon their physical and chemical properties: metal, Cu, Hg, Zn, etc. Non-metal, N2, O2, Cl2, F2, metalloid, bismuth, silicon, As and Te. All these elements are present in the periodic table. Compound. It is a pure substance which contains more than one atom which are combined together in a fixed proportion of weight. These are decomposed into simple substance by suitable chemical method. For example, H2 can be separated into hydrogen and oxygen by electrolysis. The property of a compound are completely different from its constituent element. For example, H2 has different property from the property of pure hydrogen and pure oxygen. Example of these compounds are HCl, H2O, HNO3, etc. Mixture. A mixture is a substance which contains two or more compounds together is called mixture. For example, mixture of salt and water. Mixture is of two types, homogeneous and heterogeneous. Homogeneous mixture. A mixture in which all the compounds are present uniformly are called homogeneous mixture. If we mix 1 liter of water with 0.5 kg of salt, then it mixes in such a way that 1 ml of water in the mixture contains 0.5 gram of salt. It is also called solution. Mixture of water and salt, mixture of water and alcohol. Heterogeneous mixture. A mixture in which all the compounds are present non-uniformly are called heterogeneous mixture, or they mix in such a way that after some time they form a two-layer are called heterogeneous mixture. For example, when we mix water with sand, after some time sand will settle at the bottom. of the beaker and form a separate layer.